Hey guys, welcome to Silver Bullet Ballistics, and this is going to be episode number 4 of restoring a Mosin. If you missed out on the first few episodes, the first episode is disassembly of the Mosin. Second episode is sanding down the stock. Third episode is staining the stock. And then this episode we are going to be getting the paint off the barrel. I went ahead and used some of this Clean Strip premium stripper for the barrel. Alright guys, so I am letting some of this stripper sit on the barrel. Let's go ahead and get up close and personal and move the camera angle. One thing you want to keep in mind is obviously the barrel is metal. If you use any stainless steel or copper brush, it will defect the barrel. What you want to use is a brass brush, and this is just all gunky from using it with this paint stripper. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can scrape some of this off. It's starting to come off a little bit. I'm gonna spray some more on this and let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I will come back and see what that does. I'll be right back. Alright, so it's been a little bit. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like if I can do this. So the paint is slowly coming off. This is going to be another work in progress, just like the stock was if you watched that video. Alright guys, so I'm going to be trying something different. I've read that a green Scotch Brite pad should not hurt the metal for the barrel, so I'm going to see if that helps get some of this caked off paint. I would try and use gloves, but I use vinyl gloves and it eats the gloves away, so I'm going to try my best not to get the paint stripper on my skin, and I'm not going to be pushing down very hard on the barrel. Alright guys, so what you see is same thing the stock had. Let me zoom in. There's some tan paint, brown paint, and there's some black, and then it looks like they went over it with silver, because this shiny part is the actual barrel. I really was hoping that this would not be the case. So I'm going to pause this real quick and see how far I can get into this. Wish me luck. Alright guys, so I got this far into it. Obviously this is the bare metal right here, and that is all paint throughout the whole entire thing. So I'm going to stop for the day and go eat dinner, and then probably go cry myself to sleep. I'll see you guys here soon. Hey guys, so it's been about a week since I was able to work on the barrel, but I got this much done. There's some few spots down in here that I still have to get. I use this clean strip premium stripper, but it's not really working, so I'm going to switch to this multi strip. It says it can strip up to 15 layers of paint, and up in here is about 1 layer, but then up in here is about 4 layers of paint. So I'm hoping that this will work a little bit better. In the meantime, I'm going to not bore you guys to death, and I'm gonna try and strip some of this back a little bit more. I'll give you guys an update here soon. Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. The barrel is almost done. I'm working on the butt plate. I got all the way up to around the chamber, and I'm also working on this part. It is the trigger guard. It'll sit just like that, and it acts kind of like a magazine well. I'm not sure what this is called, but I could put the Mosin rounds in here and it'll kind of bunch up in here. So I'm working on that a little bit. I will give you guys a quick update here in a little bit when I get a little bit further. Alright guys, so after many painful nights of scrubbing this barrel down, I got it all scrubbed. It's in really nice condition. There is a few spots on the bottom that are pitted. I'm gonna take a brass brush and try and get this really clean, and then I'm gonna try to re-blue it. There's some spots that the blue's coming off, which is no biggie. I can just start over with that. The barrel is not original. It's made in Rochester, New York. So I was a bit upset about that. But all in all, I was a little nervous on how this barrel would end up looking because of all the paint that was on there. So I'm going to re-blue this, re-blue the buttstock cover along with the magazine. I think it goes right here, and the trigger. So I'm going to work on that and then give you guys another update. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just got done bluing the barrel. It wasn't very hard. This was my first time bluing anything. It's a lot of trial and error, but for the most part I'm happy with it. It came out dark how I wanted it. It gave me a barricade rust prevention for firearms. So I'm going to rub down the stock on this. This stuff takes about 24 hours to cure. So I will set this aside for the night, let it cure, do its thing, and then we can start with the reassembly portion. This stuff smells really good, by the way. Let me know in the comments section, have you ever reblued a gun? And what was your experiences with it? Alright, I'm going to set this aside and let it dry. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. I've been dealing with a lot of stuff. There was a tornado that hit probably about 15 minutes away from me, and I've been trying to dedicate my time on to help. It's just been pretty crazy here lately. So again, thank you so much for being patient with me. The next episode is going to be all about assembly, like I said. We'll put this sucker together and hopefully the weather cooperates and we can go shoot it. Thank you guys for watching Silver Bullet Ballistics. If you like this video, please leave a like. Please make sure that you are subscribed. Thanks for watching.